Dear students, we are in JEE Mathematics and we are in the chapter of relations and function. This is second chapter and we will do from question number 21 onwards. Why? Because 20 questions we have completed. Each question is taking one video or one class. And let us see question number 21 onwards. Okay. JEE 2014 question. Let f of n is equal to 1 by 3 plus 3n by 100 into n, but this symbol shows a greatest integer function. Okay, bracket n, bracket of 1 by 3 plus 3n by 100. This shows greatest integer function. See, observe carefully here. Greatest integer function multiplied with again integer n. Okay, denotes the greatest integer function. Greatest integer less than or equal to n. Then what is the value of sigma from n is equal to 1 to 56? F of n is how much, like they are asking. See, answer is C. Why? Because I may have a space or not, then I am going to rub this. Okay, let us see what will happen and all. Okay, now how you are going to find this? Why? Because see, n1 to 56 they are asking. First I will put 1 and I will put 56, then we will compare and we will come to some conclusion. Okay, let us see. See, at n is equal to 1, at n is equal to 1, f of 1 is equal to, f of n means f of 1. That means the greatest integer only you open 1 by 3 plus 3 into 1 by 100 into 1. Okay, that is equal to, see here what will happen. 1 by, see 3 into 1 means 3 by 100 only. Okay, 100 plus 9. 100 plus 9 by 300. Greatest integer into 1. Okay, into 1. That is equal to. See, 109 by 300. Greatest integer into 1. What is the value of greatest integer less than 100? Less than 1? If x is less than 1, then automatically 0 will come. Okay? Greater than 1 but less than 2 means 1 will come. Greater than 2 plus less than 3 means 2 will come. That means here greater than 1, 109 you cannot divide 300. Okay? Less than 1 will come. Less than 1 means see that is equal to 0 into 1, that is equal to 0. That means you need not take the value of this. At n is equal to 1. It is coming 0. Why? Because you have to add na sigma means n is equal to 1 means 0 is coming. Okay, but let us see and go back again. We will go for n is equal to 56. That also we will see. Why? Because see, I want to compare. I know the answer, but you have to know. At n is equal to 56, f of 56 is equal to 1 by 3 plus 3 into 56 by 100 into 56. Okay, that is equal to, see, 100 plus 9 into 56, 56 into 9, 9 6 are 54, 9 5 are 45, 50, 504, 504 by 300 into 56, that is equal to, see, this is going to become 604 by 300. See, 600 itself gives 2. 2 plus it is coming. 2 plus if comes but less than 3. X is greater than 2 but less than 3. What is the value? 2 will be your answer. Okay, here 2 will come, greatest integer. That means see, 2 into 56, that is equal to 100 plus 12. 112 will come. Okay. See, how you are going to calculate? See, 1 you know, 56 you know, 0, 112. But up to 56 times you cannot do this. Then you have to find some way how to tackle this question and all. How you are going to come to conclusion. How to find the way. Okay. See. Observe carefully in this inside what will happen here. Every time 300 power, 300 numerator, 100 plus 9, 100 plus 504. This 504 is what? 3 into 3n. See, actually here 3n is there. 3 into 3n. That means see, if you see here, See, f of n is equal to, see, 100 plus 9n by 300, greatest integer into n will come. Okay, see, observe carefully here. See, until when it is 0 you did not take, but when it becomes 1, that also you have to see, no? When it is going to come 1, okay, see, 300 means the numerator should be 300 or greater. Less than 600 means 1 will come, greater than 600 means again 2 will come. Here greater than 600 it is, 604, that is why it has come 2. That means what I want to say implies 100 plus 9n by 300 should be greater than or equal to 1. Then only this is valid. If it is not equal to 1, even less than 1 means this is going to give 0. 0 into n is 0 again. The 0 is going to happen. Okay? That means 100 plus 9n by 300 should give greater than or equal to 1. At least equal to 1. Okay, now you see 100 plus 9n should give greater than or equal to 300. Okay, 9n should give greater than or equal to 200. N should give greater than or equal to 200 by 9. Understand? That means 9, the value of 9. What 9? 9 you are giving 1 to 56. That means what value you have to give here? At least 200 by 9 or greater if you give, then it is going to become valid. 1 will come, then 1 into something, you are going to get the value. You see what I am doing? 200 by 9 I am doing. 9 2s are 18, again 20. 9 2s are 18, again 2 will come. But point you need not do. That means see, at least n should be greater than 22. Exactly not 22. Even if you give 22 also, fraction is coming. If fraction comes means again it is going to become, see, 22 into 9, what will happen? 9 2s are 18, 9 2s are 18 plus 198. 198 is less than 200. 198 is less than 200, again 0 is going to come. Okay, that is why greater than 22 it has to be. Greater than 22 means what? N should be 23 to 55. I don't know, 55. Why? Because see, 56 if I have taken, 604 has come. But let me see what will happen. See, once again I will take C, greater than. N should be equal to 23 and above, or else I will write like this. N should be greater than 23. N should be greater than 23, but equal to 22 not acceptable. 23. 2n. 256 no. Why? Because let me write. Why? Because I want to show you something. Why? Because see here, one more formula we will do. Or else we will keep this only. That means n should be greater than 23, one thing. Up to when? See, 56 if we go automatically it is going to become 2. We have got 56, but 55 we don't know. How to find? That means, see how I am writing again this. See, again 100 plus 9n by 300 should be greater than or equal to 2. Earlier 1 I have written, now I have written 2. Why? Because I want to find this higher limit also, higher limit. Okay? See how I am going to find. That means you see 100 plus 9n should be greater than or equal to 600, or else 9n should be greater than or equal to 500. Okay? 9n if it is 500 greater than, then what is n? N should be greater than or equal to 500 by 9. That means see 500 if you divide with 9, 9 5s are 45, 50, again 9 5s are 45, 5 will come. That means 55 if you give, you will get only 1. If you give 56, then 2 is coming here, this value. That means shall I write like this, comma, see n if it is greater than 23 but less than, or I can say 55 equal to 55, then you see f of n is equal to 1n. Observe carefully, this n also have to consider. Why? Because see, we are giving n, this value going to give 1 or 2 or 0. 0, 1 or 2. We are giving. Why? Because see, more than 2 also give, but this 56 number is restricting. That is up to 56 we are going from 1 to 56. 1 to 56 means 1 to 22 you should not give. Why? Because 0 is coming, need not give. 23 to 55 if you give, this value is going to become 1 into n. 1 into n. Okay, then when n is 56, then f of n is equal to 2n. Okay, that means 2 into 56. That is the conclusion we can come. Okay, now you see, from 23 to 55, if you give n, then 1 is coming means, shall I write like this sigma n is equal to 1 to 56, f of n is equal to, you see what I am writing, 23 plus sigma 24 plus 25 plus dash plus 55. Shall I write? Why? Because 23 to 55, 1 into n, 1 into 23, 1 into 24, 1 into 25, 1 into 55. Okay? Plus 2 into 56. Why? Because here 2 into 56 has come. Okay? This is the series. How you are going to add? This is going to give 112. 112, that is okay. But to see 23 to 55, you have to do arithmetic series, arithmetic progression. You see, your A will be 23, D will be 1, and Tn will be, why? Because you want to know the number of terms, then only you can find total sum. Tn will be 55, that is equal to 23 plus A plus n minus 1, n minus 1 into D, 1. Okay, 55 is equal to this one. That means see, n minus 1 is equal to 55 minus 23, 2, 3, 32, and n is equal to 33. Okay, that means n you have got, that means like this to total 33 terms are there, up to 55 only, 33 terms. This 33 terms sum you make and add 112. Okay, let us add 33 terms sum. See, sum formula is what? Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is equal to n is how much? 33 by 2 into 2a. 2 into 23, 46 plus, see 23 into 2, directly one step I have jumbled, 23 into 2, 46 plus n minus 1, 32 into 1, 32. N is 33, 33 minus 1 is 32, 32 into D, 1, 32 only, okay, 46 plus, see 78, 33 by 2 into 78, 2 39s, okay. Okay, 33 into 39. I am doing here. 33 into 39. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 117. Again, save. 7, 8, 2, 1287. See, this value is 1287. Wait, they have given one answer here, 1287. But don't put, why? Because you have to add this 112 also. This figure also. Why? Because see, this is for 1 into n. Up to here. Up to here value is 1287. Again 112 you have to add. Total is equal to 1287 plus 112. Okay? 1287 plus 112. 993 1399. This will be your answer. Okay? Let us go for next question.